Every day I upload free house design on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful tiny mountain house you are watching on the screen in this video, I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of the house, and the width I have taken is 23 feet in meter 7 meter, and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. Here is a sliding door, and after that we will go inside. So we have a living area here. The size of the living area is 7 feet 8 inches into 6 feet 8 inches in meter 2.33 into 2.03 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement and TV unit arrangement on the front wall, and we have a sliding door here. After that, on the front side we have common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 7 feet 8 inches into 4 feet. We have a wash basin and water closet and also shower area here. Both are separate, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we will go inside. So we have kitchen cum dining area here. The size of the kitchen cum dining area is 7 feet 8 inches into 11 feet in meter 2.33 into 3.35 meter. You can see here the burner, sink and also refrigerator arrangement, and we have a chimney here. You can see the dining counter here with 3 chairs. After that we will go inside. So we have 2 rooms with same size. The size of the room is 7 feet 8 inches into 8 feet in meter 2.33 into 2.43 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and large size windows for ventilation of this room. And also we have bedroom number 2. The size of the room is 7 feet 8 inches into 8 feet in meter 2.33 into 2.43 meter with 2 windows for ventilation. After that we will go outside. So we have outdoor sitting area here. The size of the sitting area is 6 feet 8 inches into 20 feet in meter 2.03 into 6 meter. You can see here the sitting arrangements, chairs and tables. Also we have 2 chairs on this side. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. This is a beautiful tiny mountain house. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.